If you're getting into SEO, you need to be very careful about making a "you can rank number one" guarantee. Although implementing good SEO practices can improve your client's website's visibilities, you never want to promise this. And the reason is that SEO is just flat out unpredictable. Google looks for different things in every niche and with every website. And you have no idea what the level of competition is in your client's niche unless you even look. And even then, keyword research and SEO tools are often wrong. It can take a lot longer or even quicker than you think to rank. Think of SEO like waiting for a train or a bus. It can take time for efforts to be rewarded, but this is Amtrak. It could be hours longer than you think, or the train could arrive right away. So you have no way of knowing how long it's going to take. But tell your clients this: the average is 6 months to a year, and a good client will understand and will keep working with you. Head over to localrankninja.com to become an SEO ninja today.